Chemical equations. A chemical equation represents a chemical change by use of symbols and formulas. The formulae of the reactants are written on the left-hand side and those of the products on the right-hand side. To write a correct chemical equation, one must write the correct formula of the reactants and the products. For example, copper metal reacts with oxygen to form copper 2 oxide. The chemical reaction is represented by a word equation as shown. The equation that represents the reaction can be written in form of symbols as shown. Balancing chemical equations. This is the process of making the number of each kind of atom on both sides of the equation equal. A chemical equation is correct if it is balanced. An equation is balanced when the number of atoms of each type of reactant is equal to that on the product side. This is because atoms are neither created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. A proper chemical equation should be balanced. In order to write the correct chemical equation, the following guidelines should be observed when balancing chemical equations. We shall use the example of a reaction between copper and oxygen. The first step is to write the chemical reaction in words as shown. Then, write the correct chemical formulae for both reactants and products as shown. The next step is to check whether the number of atoms of each element on the reactant side is equal to that on the product side. If the number is not equal, multiply the chemical formula containing the unbalanced atoms with the lowest common multiple. In this case, multiply the product side by 2 as shown. Check again to ensure that all the atoms are balanced. The chemical formula of the reactants and products should never change during the balancing of the equations. A chemical equation is correct and complete if the physical state of the reactants and products are indicated. The following symbols represent the physical states, which are written in brackets after each reactant or product. Solid, S. Liquid, L. In solution or aqueous, AQ. Gas, G. Therefore, the final complete chemical equation is as shown. Let us observe this other example. Zinc granules react with dilute hydrochloric acid, liberating hydrogen gas, and a solution of zinc chloride is formed. The word equation for the reaction is as shown. The unbalanced chemical equation for the reaction is as shown. There are 2 atoms of chlorine and 2 atoms of hydrogen on the product side, while there is 1 atom of chlorine and 1 atom of hydrogen on the reactant side of the equation. The number of each of the atoms on both sides of the equation should be equal. To balance the equation, 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid are used, i.e., the number 2 is written before the formula of hydrochloric acid. The balanced equation as shown. The equation is not yet complete as the state symbols are not in place. Thus, to complete the equation, these have to be placed. Thank you for watching this chemistry lesson. Please subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.